Hello all, this is Harjeet Shergill from AH Brands. Today I will be teaching you how to close the batch on PAX S300 or PAX A35. Both are similar machines. So if you are using a NRS POS system, in case you need to close the batch manually, I will teach you. It's very easy. This is the PAX S300. Simply press F and 1 together. If they ask, please enter the password. Password always today's date. Like I'm making the video today, February 23 to 24. My password will be 02232024. Press enter. Tap on host setting. Password again 02232024. Enter and you will see the host parameter auto close. Press the arrow down button and you will see number 2 batch close. Tap on the batch close. See checking batch is closed. That's very easy to close the batch. So if you need more information or you need help, you always can call us 209-297-3200, or if you need to buy this NRS PO system or credit card processing for your liquor store, smoke shop, any kind of business, we can beat the rates, no problem. Just give us a call. We don't charge anything. If you are already doing a low rate processing, we will not touch it. Phone number again 209-297-3200 or ahbrands.com or ahwholesale.com is our website. Thank you.